Dígrit tá fáilte rót go Leavingcertirish.com is mis seánna gábhín agus seo Sraith Pictiúr chuideog tuairiscidí comórtas le dóige Wimbledon, a trip to the Wimbledon tennis competition. Sulla do sómíad inniu bí cinnte ghuiil an app Leavingcertirish íslódáilte agat ar de phone póca, tá sé fáil ar Google Play agus Apple iTunes. Seo Sraith Pictiúr chuideog tuairiscidí comórtas le dóige Wimbledon, a trip to the Wimbledon tennis tournament or competition. Sa chéad picture seo feiceann mí na daltaí in mun ibre sa hala. Here in this first picture we see the students as they're working in the hall. Is dócha a ghuiil scrúdathe an taurig ar siúla. It would seem that the summer exams are taking place today. Is buachlí amháin atá le feiceáil sa picture seo. We can only see boys in this picture. Agus tá binse éonar gach duine each of them has their own individual desk. Tá cuma gnóthach agus dígur seach orthu. They look very busy and they're working diligently. Agus idig díru ar an bápéir scrúdathe as they are focused on the examination paper. So dara cuid den Victor feiceann míad ghuiil na scrúdathe hartanis in the second section of the picture. We see that the examinations are over now. Ligan na buachlí a ski ar an gcórt le dóige. The boys relax on the tennis court. Playing sheet na plan atá cod don Sarah. They discuss the plans that they have for the summer. Their dinner cod gur bhuaig sé ticket don chomórtas le dóige I Wimbledon. One of them says that he won tickets for the tennis competition or tournament in Wimbledon ag deireadh na míosa at the end of the month. Agus an ceann nach an seo tugann sé cuireadh don bharteile. He gives an invitation to the other two individuals chun teacht in éanacht leis to come with him. Glachann siad leis an gura úntaach nó iontaach seo. They accept this wonderful invitation. Gan doubt, for sure, tá scetamíní ar na buachlí faoin tairse. The boys are very excited about this trip. So cadtá dhéanamh na buachlí sa hala. What are the boys doing in the hall? Agus cén sort édí atá á chahabh ag na buachlí sa daracuid. And what kind of clothes are they wearing in the second section? Agus an seo na focail is tátaí agus an stores tátaí don Victor seo. An sin Victor a dó. Cúpla seachtain in the sin, a couple of weeks after that, it's léir ghuiil an lámór tagtha. It's clear that the big day has arrived. Feiceann míad na buachlí agus na tuismitheoirí ag an desk clártha san airport. We see the boys and the parents at the registration desk or the check-in at the airport. An sin, etaltí go London atá scríofa ar an gcomhartha. It's flights to London that are written on the sign. Agus feiceann míad logo shamroige Aer Lingus ar an desk, and we see the Aer Lingus shamrock logo on the desk. Beg na buachlí gets us go Heathrow. The boys will be flying to Heathrow. An sin, tugann duine có na ticket taistil agus na pasna don Geneva. Then one of them gives the travel tickets and the passports na pasna don Geneva to the agent. Nílach bagáiste lámhic, they've only got hand luggage. Fágann siad slán ag na tuismitheoirí, they say goodbye to the parents. Tásúla dad go mhainigh siad tainmh as an turas. Dad hopes that they're going to enjoy the trip. Iran mom, orthú teachs a cheola chuaigh. Mom asked them to send her a text. Nuair thuigh siad ag an óstán when they will arrive at the hotel. Gan doubt tá mom bocht beag an imneach faoin am seo. Poor old mom, she's a little bit worried at this stage for sure. Nuair aon siad na cartaí bordála when they get the boarding cards, arid lo an sin godín ag gataí amachta. Off they go then to the departure gates. So cúpla ceist, cén fá nach bhfuil málaí troma ag na buachlí. Why don't the boys have some heavy bags? Agus an bhfuil na buachlí ar bíisinis. Do you think the boys are a little bit excited at this stage or a little bit on edge? Agus arís an store is tábhtaí an seo. I picture 3 tá an ghrian ag spalpa nús ar Ghruthid London. In picture 3, the sun is shining down on London Bridge. Nílach scamal amháin le feiceáil sa spéir. We can only see one cloud in the sky. So it's a very fine day. Tá an toast on sitze I lár na carach. The hotel is situated in the city centre. There are cosúlachta, according to appearances, is óstán nua aimse. It's a modern hotel from what we can see. Feic míad na buachlí in a sea ar na lapacha. We see the boys sitting down on the beds. Their dinner co, one of them says, gwyl bíochlar úntach ar fáil san óstan seo. One of them says that there's a wonderful menu available in this hotel. Their buachal ella, gwyl an tóstán seo fíor chompordach. Another one of them says that this hotel is extremely comfortable. Cod loy sheets shomra kema, they will sleep in the same room. 3 lava shingle atá. There are 3 single beds there. Tá cumann néite ar an seomra seo. This room looks very neat or tidy. Feiceann míad picture jazz ag crochar an mala. We see a lovely picture hanging up on the wall. Agus tá brálíní cadáis leapa ar na leapacha. There are cotton bed sheets on the beds. Agus gan doubt, bei costas mór ag buint leis an os an seo, for sure. This hotel will be expensive. Agus an bia atá ar fáil, and the food that is there will be expensive too. Seans go winning the buachalaí tríal as an tarví siomraí. Maybe the boys are going to try out the room service. Agus an sin cúpla ceist, cén sort aimse atá London, and what kind of weather do they have in London today? Agus an meid na buachalaí compordach san os an seo. Do you think that the boys will be comfortable in this hotel? Agus ríis an stór focail is tátaí. I picture a car. An vadan dar gion tain siad ar thuras timpeall na carach. The following morning they go on a trip around the city. Tá an áit plódathe le Torosori agus muinter na carach. The place is packed with tourists agus muinter na carach and the people of the city. Feiceann míad cortha mór I lár an chosáin. We see a big sign in the middle of the footpath done Chóras Ian Road faoi Hallaigh for the underground train system. Tá go leor fuirgan a bhóra sa cheantar seo. There's lots of big buildings or large buildings in this area. Siúlan na buachalaí isteach sa stáisiún faoi Hallaigh. The boys walk into the underground station. Agus cenníonn siad tickets le don Chóras Ian Road faoi Hallaigh, and they buy a day ticket for the underground system. Níos déanaí, later on, feiceann míad na buachalaí agus iad an uachtar ar bhas díon oscailte. Later on we see the boys as they are up on top of an open top bus. Tá an bus lán le Torosori eile atá ar thuras trótha. The bus is full of other tourists who are on a guided tour. Sa chúlar in the background, feiceann míad Clog Ben Mór. We see the Big Ben clock. Agus Súl London and the Eye of London. So Súl London. Is iad na síomhna is mó atá ahananta. No, is mó ahananta I London. So they're the most recognisable sites in London. Agus beag na buachalaí in ann na síomhna go léir eáil. The boys will be able to see all of the different sites. So le déan siad go Wimbledon sa Tránóna before they go into Wimbledon in the afternoon. So cúpla ceist, cén fág go déan na buachalaí isteach sa stáisiún faoi Hallaigh. Why do the boys go into the underground station? As cad é an suíomh cáiliúla I London? And what's the most famous scene or site in London? Agus ríis an seo an stór is tábhtaí. I picture chuig, craobh le dóige Wimbledon atá ar siúl faoi láthair. The Wimbledon Tennis Championships is on right now. Bulan and Turco lena lechra sport driven glithe. The 3 of them meet with their sporting heroes before the game. Tá riméid orthu. They are delighted. Mar bulan siad le Nadal agus Djokovic because they meet with Nadal and Djokovic. You see, na himróí le dóigas far or down. They're the best tennis players in the world. Tá cuma geal chóireach ar na buachalaí. The boys are delighted. They look very happy. Mar tuigeann siad cé óbhrach is atá siad because they understand just how lucky they are. Tá siad agóra leis na himróí. They're chatting with the players agus is dócha bhfuil siad ar suimhneas leo. It would seem that they are relaxed with them. Sínan na himróí na lárán il chomórtais don na buachalaí. The players sign the tournament booklets, or if you like the tournament guides for the boys. Beidir go méid siad anna luachfar faoi cheann cúpla bliain. Maybe they'll be very valuable anna luachfar faoi cheann cúpla bliain in a couple of years. Is dócha go bhfuil na buachalaí cosúil leis an gat a dul an bainne. It seems that the boys are like the cat that drank the milk. Fear hásta lo féin. They're very happy with one another. So cúpla ceist, cé hiad na himróí cáiliúla atá anseo. Who are the famous players here? Agus cén fág go bhfuil na buachalaí ag leorach sína cháin na nimróí. Why are the boys looking for the players' signatures? Agus ríis anseo an stórfocail is tátaí. Tá stad le dóige Wimbledon plódathe le locht leanúna le dóige. The Wimbledon tennis stadium, if you like, is packed with tennis followers. Tá gach duine ag súil go mór le cléthe ceannis chomórtas single na bhar. Every one of them is looking forward to the men's singles tournament final. Agus lá bra brothalach atá ann, mar tá an ghrian ag tanmh go háirt sa spéir. We can see it's a lovely, fine, sultry day because the sun is shining high in the sky. Agus níl scamal le feicáil átar be, and we can't see a cloud anywhere. Ní eiceann míad na himróí sa Pictiúr. We don't see the players in the picture. Ach, is léir go méid an cléthe ar siúl go luath. It's clear that the game will be on shortly. Mar tá na seaastáin lón ag an buite seo because the stands are full at this stage. So Darla and Pictiúr find me the mach. Gur bhuaig Djokovic or Nadal. We find out in the second half of the picture that Djokovic beat Nadal. Dimmer sé níos fearr ná Nadal is dócha. It seems that he played better than Nadal. Der Dinnerco go make Bronan down there ag Dulawalya. One of them says that he'll be extremely sad going home. Mar hahan an thuras agus an cléile dóige chomór sin leis because he enjoyed the game and the trip that much. Der Buchalella. Grevan Tolo a bheith láthar ag an glutha seo. Another boy says that they were lucky to be present at this game. Ach mar dar an seanokul, but as the seanokul says, Tuarantá is tucha. Every man is the architect of his own fortune. In other words, you make your own good luck. So, couple question. Seo, cén ócáid sports at Tarsúla Wimbledon and what sports occasions on in Wimbledon today? Agus cén chustas bheoch ar na ticket don cluiche seo. So, what cost would be on the tickets for this particular game, so would they be expensive? Agus Ríis an stórfocail is tábhtaí ag bun an leithnic an seo. Sin deire an cheachtainne gur mí mágat agus tásúla gom gur bhain tú tanmhas tarfa as an gceach seo. Má tá aon ceis go te go Leavingcertirish.com nó is fidir leat de chuig ceise chur ar Facebook nó Twitter. Slán go fólaí.